Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. So I believe there are a lot of great books that are waiting to be written. Okay? A lot of people that I see, they end up, dying with their book inside of them. Their life is extremely exciting. They just have trouble, pinpointing the areas of excitement. And then they get into a funk and think that their life is either meaningless or isn't very exciting. But I'm here I beg to differ because you can find excitement in a lot of different things, in a lot of different areas. Okay, for example, for me, just walking to my dance class every single night can be an adventure. Depending on the weather, like if it's cold outside, I'm kind of moving fast, but then you can see all the different restaurants on the way. For example, you see someone was proposing the other night, and there's all these different things that can go on in your life. But you have to take the time to start, journaling and writing down different things. Because what this allows you to do is it allows you to be able to, get some gratitude out of your life and see just how much fun life is and how much, you might be, either ignoring or not being aware of to see. Okay? If you want to start growing your business, you need to start being able to look at these small successes in your life. Because then it translates to your business. Because then you're going to say, okay, cool, I shot a video today. That's a success. I uploaded this video. It's a success. I shared the video with all my friends. It's a success. I got a consultation call. It's a success. I did the consultation call, but I didn't close a client, but it was still a success because I actually did the call. All these different things. And then you start having an upward spiral, and then your life is great. If you want to start reaching that great life that I believe you deserve, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below to the group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. Have a great day. Talk to you soon, and see you later.